In this video, we will demonstrate on how to use the crown on your watch to set the time and date correctly on a Rolex Datejust 41. If you'd like to jump directly to the part of the video that's relevant to you, please use the markers in the timeline to navigate between the different video sections. The crown of a wristwatch is usually located on the right-hand side of the case and serves to operate various functions. In its normal position, the crown is close to the case so as not to interfere with wearability. If you want to set or wind the watch, it is first necessary to pull the crown away from the case. At this point, a distinction is made between crowns that can be pulled out with a little effort and screw-down crowns. With screw-down crowns, the crown must first be pulled counterclockwise between 2 or 3 times until it finally jumps out a little by itself. Screw-down crowns are usually found on watches that are water resistant. Depending on the watch, the crown controls various functions of the watch, depending on the position it's in. If, for example, it is manually wound watch, the first position of the crown serves to rewind the power reserve. If you pull the crown further out, you will reach the date function. If you now turn the crown, the date can be adjusted easily. By pulling the crown into the second position, the hands of the watch can be adjusted and the time can be set. It is advisable to always set the watch clockwise, as not all sensitive movements can withstand the rotation in both directions. After you have adjusted all the desired settings on the watch, it is very important to close the crown so that the watch continues to function and also to protect the movement from external influences. To do this, push the crown back towards the case until it is back into the original position. If the watch has a screw-down crown, it is necessary to push the crown into the case and tighten it with 3 or more turns. Make sure to use your instincts to determine that the crown is tightened enough to protect the inner components of the watch.